Hi, this is Jiten from Netviewcctv. That's Netviewcctv.co.uk. This is just to give you a glimpse of the new 24 port PoE NVR. It has 24 PoE ports. It's the new I range of 77 series. There you go, it says DS-77. This is the 32 channel DS-7732NI-I4. I4 meaning it's up to the 12 megapixel camera resolution, and it has 4 hard drive bays. This particular NVR has been fitted with 4 8TB hard drives, which is the maximum for this NVR. There you go, WD8s. These are the brand new WD81 PORZ, just been released. 8TB 81 PORZ, 4 of them, giving you a total capacity of 32 terabytes of storage capability on this. So let me just show you the back of the NVR as well. So back of the NVR, you have your fans and your power inputs, eSATA, 2 HDMIs, HDMI 1 and 2, your analog audio inputs and outputs, a VGA, RS-232, which you don't really need to use, a LAN port and a USB 3 port on the back. You've also got a video out for BNC output into a separate monitor. So theoretically you've got 4 video outs. You've got the video out, your VGA and your 2 HDMIs, giving you 4 outputs. And then the unique feature on this NVR is your 24 PoE ports. Normally there's a maximum of 16. This particular NVR has 3 batches of 8, so it's 24 port NVRs. Also it has your alarm inputs and outputs there. That's the back of your NVR. It's the new 77 series with a 24 port PoE, and that's we've powered them all up at the moment. I've still got to connect the SATA cables. The SATA cables, the data cable will connect to the data connect will come from each drive into these SATA connectors on the board. You've got a case fan, which seems a bit more robust than previous versions, securely fixed. And that's the glimpse of the new Hikvision 77 series NVR. You can actually buy these now online on our website www.Netviewcctv.co.uk. Thanks for watching. Bye.